Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. I hope you're all keeping well. A quick video today. I will be doing a demonstration of the Blade 2 Max and the Blade 3. I have done detailed reviews on both of these vacuum cleaners. If you want to see them, I will leave a link in the description box below and a pop-up card. If you do want to pick either one of these up, I will also leave links to them in the description box below. Straight off the bat, the Blade 2 Max is more powerful than the Blade 3. I think the Blade 2 Max is more to be compared with the Blade 4, but as I don't have that, I will just be comparing it with the Blade 3. The main difference here, the Blade 3 has a removable battery, takes 2.5 hours to charge, but it gives you a 40-minute runtime. The Blade 2 Max does not have a removable battery. It is slightly lighter and it gives you a 45-minute runtime, but it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge. Apart from that, they're pretty much the same. As you can see, the design's the same. In terms of the head, that's the same as well. There's not much difference. They both have removable bins, as you can see, and they both do have the boost feature. But do bear in mind, if you use the boost feature, you will be using the battery up a lot quicker. So I've put down some crisps on my hard floor. This one on my right is the Blade 3. The one on my left is the Blade 2 Max. I will be trying the Blade 3 first. Okay, so the first pass I'm going to do, I will have the brush bar off, as it's recommended by the manufacturers to use on hard floor. Okay, there we go. It hasn't picked anything up. Well, it's just picked a few up and the rest it's brought down. Now the Blade 2 with the brush bar off, the Blade 2 Max, sorry. As you can see, it's just made a straight line there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try them again with the brush bar on this time, not the boost mode, but just the brush bar on. It's picked most of them up, as you can see there, but it's not, let me just get to the camera to show you the bin. It's picked some of it up. But it's like someone commented, they go put in crisp and hard floor, it's like trying to vacuum a brick. But I do apologise, I've only got crisps available that are out of date. I don't waste food, and especially what we're going through now, I definitely won't be wasting food. And I've got some rolled oats, but I've had a similar experience with the rolled oats, so there's no point putting them down on the hard floor. I will be putting them down on the carpet. Anyway, the Blade 2 Max now. Yeah, let me just bring it close to you. There you go, you can see it's definitely picked them up. I will be putting the brush bar on, of course, because it is a carpet, but again, I will not be using boost mode to start off with. If I need to, I will, but I don't think I will, but we'll see how it goes. So the Blade 3 first. Nothing there, just picked pretty much everything up. As you can see, the bin there. Okay, turn for the Blade 2 Max. Again, it's picked pretty much everything up. You can see, if I can just line that properly, you could see the bin there. And I did not need to put the boost mode on. But as I said previously, these machines do perform really well on carpets. They're not that good on hard floor. They're okay for cleaning your car. For carpets at this price, you cannot go wrong. They're both really good. But if you've got hard floors, I'd look elsewhere. I have done other vacuum cleaner reviews on my channel. If you're new here, you could see them. I hope all of you stay well and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.